Introducing the FastMixer by MGT North America, the new benchmark for mixing concrete, mortar, and stucco. The FastMixer was engineered for pros who demand power, precision, and productivity on the job site. Yet, it's easy to use, making it the perfect tool for weekend warriors and DIYers. Simply connect the FastMixer to a power source and water line. Load the hopper with your preferred mix, adjust the water flow, turn the machine on, and you're ready. Precision matters, and FastMixer delivers. The adjustable water input and built-in flow gauge give you consistent mixes batch after batch. The FastMixer reduces labor needs while increasing output. The 180-degree adjustable chute included on the box ensures smooth, targeted discharge. FastMixer's rugged 11-gauge steel frame ensures long-lasting durability. At the core, a 370-watt electric motor with IP55 protection delivers dependable performance under the toughest conditions. Lightweight and portable at just 165 pounds, it's easy to maneuver with pneumatic tires, yet strong enough for decks, patios, pools, and all your hardscaping jobs.
Tackled in 1 hour. How do you feel about the FastMixer?
I feel fantastic. It was a really good machine.
Yeah,
I'm really impressed.
so thank you. Save how much time today with the machine?
I saved at least 2 hours.
At least 2 hours.
Yeah.
But it take 3 hours.
To get set up, different mix, and
Yeah.
with this right here, that's the way to go.
And it's the first time using the machine.
First time we using, everybody impressed with it.
Okay, so now we can have lunch and
right.
enjoy the rest of the day.
That's right.
Okay, thank you, Doc.
FastMixer, built to perform, ready when you are.